How are you? You are very fine. You are very anxious. There are long times you cannot come to school. So, we give you online class. So, you will follow the teacher when the teacher will say in the online class. So, today's topic is changing question. Changing question. The before classes we learn affirmative to negative. So, today we will learn assertive to interrogative. Assertive to interrogative. Rule on. Now, I think you know how can we sense interrogative. How can we sense interrogative? At first, you will write auxiliary verb plus subject plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation sign. This is the conversation. So when I changing sentence into transformation, so if any assertive sentence has auxiliary verb or to be verb or affirmative sentence, we can change into interrogative auxiliary verb plus NT or not plus subject plus rest of the sentence plus note of interrogation sign. I write on the blackboard an example. He is absent absent from the meeting. MEETING meeting. This sentence is assertive sentence. This sentence is assertive sentence. How can we sense it? According to our rule, at first, to be verb, this. At first we write to be verb is. This sentence is affirmative sentence. So negative interrogative. Isn't subject he absent meeting. This is the system. If the sentence has affirmative, যদি সেন্টেন্সটা হয় affirmative, so we can change interrogative negative interrogative. If the sentence is negative sense, then when we interrogative omitted not or NT. I give you an example. he is not a good student. Now we can write is he a good student? This is the first rule. Or when you don't find auxiliary verb in a assertive sentence, then how can you change it interrogative? So we can find out tense. Do you know, we don't write to be verb present indefinite or past indefinite. Present indefinite tense we can write to be verb do, does. Past indefinite did. So I give you an example. He plays football. This is the assertive sentence. When we change it interrogative, you can find auxiliary verb. This sentence has no auxiliary verb. You can go to principal verb. Principal verb plays. This is the first indefinite tense or present indefinite tense. Which tense? Present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense, to be verb, we can write does, because the subject is third person singular number. So we write does. DOES, does, and he play football. The another sentence, he liked sweets. He liked sweets. This sentence has no to be verb. When we go to mool verb or principal verb, this is the principal verb like. This is the like is a first form. So it is past indefinite. So I like did. I write did. Didn't he, and subject after the base form of verb. Base form means the first form of the verb. Like, L-I-K-E, like. Sweets, S-W-E-E-T-S, sweets. Now, the first rule is finished. Have you any question about this first rule? There is no question. So, we can go the second rule. We can go the second rule. If any sentence assertive has never or nothing, and then we change into interrogative, never sense ever, and nothing sense anything. Do you understand? If any assertive sentence has never or nothing, then we change into interrogative this sentence, never sense ever, and nothing sense anything. Now I am giving you an example. I never drink tea. I never drink tea. At first, you think this is the assertive sentence, but there is no auxiliary verb. You will find tense and go to the verb. Verb drink. Drink is present form and present indefinite tense. So according to our rule, we write do. To be verb do. Subject I. Never sense ever. The rest of the sentence. Drink tea. Note of interjection sign. Do you understand what I say? And the another question, there is nothing to say. There is nothing to say. This sentence has to be verb. This sentence has to be verb. According to our rule, at first we write auxiliary verb. At first we write auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb is is. Subject there. Is there. Nothing sense anything. Nothing sense anything. Anything to say. Note of interjection sign. This is the second rule. Have you understand any sentence or any example? You can reply and I will try to understand it. And then I will go rule 3. Rule 3. Everyone, all. If any assertive sentence has everybody, everyone, all. how can we change it interrogative? According to our rule, every body sense who doesn't, who don't, who didn't. If the sentence is present tense, who doesn't, who don't. If the sentence is past tense, who didn't. So, I will give an example. You follow attentively. Everybody likes flower. Everybody likes flower. According to our sentence, everybody says who doesn't. Who doesn't? But why we write doesn't? When you see the principal verb include yes or yes, then we will write who doesn't. Who doesn't? Answer. Who doesn't like flower? Note of interrogation sign. Do you understand? Everyone hates what? Everyone hates what? We can write easily this answer. Everyone says who doesn't? Who doesn't hate what? Sorry. Who doesn't hate what? I will give you another example. All liked a good boy. According to our rules, one like a good boy. All sense who didn't. Why we write didn't? This verb is past form and this is the past indefinite tense. So, I write didn't. A good boy. Now, we can go to the next rules. Rule number 4. Rule number 4. If any assertive sentence has every plus noun, then how can we change it interrogative? Every plus noun. Every man heads a lie.
ছবিতে আসতেছে না।
আসছে
না,
কেন ছবি হেডসেট দেখে গেল যে আবার কোথায় গেছে দেখ জুমিয়ে দেন জুমিয়ে দিতে বলছিল সাবধান দিতে হেডসেট ডাকতে হবে পণ্যের তো আসছে না তো পণ্য
আমি তো যে দেখতেছি আসতেছি না।
আবার টেনে ওপর হেড স্যার বললো যে হেড স্যার ডাকে দিই তাহলে খালি খালি আমার এই ক্লাস দেখি লাভ হলো হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আসছে
না,
হেড স্যার ডাক দিতে দেখে হেড স্যার কোথায় গেল হেড স্যার তো দিয়ে গেল
সেটা আসলে দেখ।
ওই কয়
আবার ওই চলে আসলো।
ওই তো হেড স্যার ডাক দেন দেখতে নেবে ইমার্জেন্সি কি আসছে
এবার আইসে স্যার আইসে আইসে।
হ্যাঁ দেখাচ্ছে আমার দেখাচ্ছে
হ্যাঁ
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 আচ্ছা 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 ঠিক আছে নাও we can go to the we can go to the rule 4 every man hates a lie every sense is there any when we eat interrogative the every sense is there any is there any after the word every man has no who doesn't had a lie note of attention sign now any assertive sentence has must after every must how can we change it interrogative the must will change will not who will not the every man must die every is there any man who will not die you understand now we are going to rule 4 oh sorry nobody none four no 5 rule 5 nobody none, no one. If any assertive sentence has nobody, none, no one, when we change it interrogative, nobody, none, no one, omitted, who, only who, and the rest of the sentence. I will give you an example. No one can do this. Sorry. No one can do this. No one. This sentence has no one. According to our rule, no one says, only who. Only who. Who can do this? Note of introduction sign. Okay? Now I am giving you a home task. You will practice at your home the home task. On I have nothing to say. Nothing to say. Number 2, she likes white tea. Number 3, everybody likes flowers. Everybody likes flowers. Nobody trusts a liar. Trust, trust a liar. Number 5, he plays cricket. He plays cricket. Number 6, I shall never forget your advice. I shall never forget your advice. this home task, you will write on your khata the home task and try to solve this home task according to your rule. I think you will understand it easily. So, you are all well the future days. God bless you. Thank you all. See you again.